Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Thursday. How are you today, class, kids, pupils? Do you have a wonderful Thursday? Or should I say happy Thursday? Welcome again to our class, and this is Teacher LM, your teacher. Okay, so yesterday we studied all about fire, right? So before that, let's spell Thursday first. Thursday I spell Thursday. So today is December 3, 2020. Okay, so let's review first before we will study a new lesson. Okay, so yesterday we talked about the natural light and artificial light. Okay, so we talked about fire, and fire has two types. It could be light or it could be heat. All right, so natural light and artificial light. So natural light has sun, stars, moon, and firefly. Artificial light has bulb, candle, flashlight, and gas lantern. So that was all about our lesson yesterday. So this morning we are going to learn a new lesson which is part of the four elements. Are you ready? Okay. So this morning we are going to study about air. So air is very important for breathing, but we do not see the air. Air has no color, no taste, and no smell, but we can feel it. We feel the air when the wind blows. So like this. This is the wind, okay? And this is how it looks like if there is a wind. So that's why you can say that there is an air. Again, one more time, class. Air is very important for breathing. So breathing, it means that we are using our mouth and our nose to breathe. So if we can't breathe, it means that we are already die. Okay, but we do not see the air. Okay, class, always remember we do not see the air. Air has no color, okay? No taste and no smell, but we can feel it, okay? So that is air. We feel the air when the wind blows. Again, when the wind blows, that is the time that you can feel the air. All right. So, types of air that occur naturally. So there are two types of air that are occur naturally. So the first one that is an oxygen. Okay, so oxygen I spell Oxygen. So oxygen which we use to breathe every day. So the air that we always breathe every day that comes out, comes in into our body, that is called oxygen. Again, class, that is called oxygen. The air that we breathe out and breathe in inside our body is called oxygen. Okay, the second type of air is the wind. Okay, the wind. So this occurs naturally all around us. It helps with pollinating plants. So this occurs naturally all around us. So the wind is all over, okay, all around us. So wherever we go, whatever we do, the air is there. And it helps with pollinating plants. Do you know what is pollinating plants, class? Okay. Did you see that The bee carries the pollen from the flower, right? So the plants will, I mean, the other plants will have their fruits because of the bee. But the wind also, it helps because the pollen of the flowers will go from the other flowers by the help of the wind. So it helps generating the plants, or it helps making the other plant, fruit bearing plant to grow or to bear fruits because of the wind.